Welcome to my channel. So today I'll do another day of riding electric bicycle. So it's a challenge, 30 days challenge, riding every day new electric bicycle. And welcome to join this challenge. So today is day number 7, and I will do also the live stream of this riding, and then I'll post the video as well. So I'm riding the DYU V1, and it's a mini bike kind of, and I like it, but the pedaling it's okay. I say, like, I look like more like a clown on this bike, that's for sure, but I like the position of the handle. It's a little bit higher, so your hands are not tired, you can, and the seat is comfortable. So we'll talk about this bike later. Let me check to see if it's actually working, so I can do live stream at the same time. I see if anybody join. And okay, okay, looks like it works. So you may see picture in picture, I guess. So if you like join and leave a comment in chat, I might be able to see and answer it live. If not, leave a comment in the video. I'm gonna post the video later. It's day number 7. Actually the battery was kind of discharged because I didn't charge it for a while. It's only like 3 bar on this bike for some reason. I didn't charge for a while, so it does have horn, and this bike comes with alarm. It has a like key like in a car, so you can turn on the alarm, headlight. So it's a nice bike, but I think they discontinue, so it's most likely discontinued bike. But again, as you can see, my handles very high, so it's like mini goat bike, moped style tip like. But I think this one is pretty cool because it's very compact, and doesn't matter which bike you ride, just this challenge about just get on the bike and ride if you can, the weather if it's allowed. And the wheels on this bike only 14, no, it's 12 inch, I think. Yeah, it's 12 inch wheel, so it's kind of mini bike. And I'll try to ride less time today. I'll try to make this video shorter. I may ride longer, but the video will be shorter because I know like it takes a lot of your time. I don't want to waste your time. So let's talk about, so yeah, if you have question about this bike, but again, it's no longer available, I think. Maybe you can find used one. They've been on sale between $400 to $600, I think. And I like it. It has I mean, it's nice to put in a trunk and take to the beach. I took to the beach many times, and that's why I'm still keeping this bike. This guy is still here with the bike. It actually looks like one baht. Like, yeah. But I'll try to pedal mostly. And this bike actually call it smart bike because the pedal assist is smart over here. I don't think yeah, it's look like cadence sensor is here, but it would accelerate more if I pedal harder for some reason. So it might have a sensor in the motor. Also, it does come with a cruise control, so if I use throttle over like a certain time, it will turn on and then the cruise control will kick in. So it's a cool mini bike. And again, some people don't like mini bikes, some people like power bikes, and that's probably gonna be topic for today day. So I'm open to talk about different topics about bikes mostly e-bikes, scooters, but I like more e-bikes. I have scooters, but I like more e-bikes because with e-bike, most of them you can pedal. And if you don't, then they are more powerful. And let's talk about power bikes, like goat bike. So there's they've been in business since last year, I believe, or maybe even a bit longer, but they was not as big before, and now the name is getting out. I have a group. You're welcome to join. I'm gonna put in also in description about if you have any questions, or if you want to see people will post experience as a owner who purchase their own bikes. So there's only a few review on them. I reviewed like 3 bikes from them, but now they have a power bikes. Still waiting for the motor goat arrive, and it will arrive probably next month. So if I get it, I'll make a full video with a lot of testing, and probably will include in the 30 days challenge, or I might actually extend the 30 days to 60 days because I like it. I like to ride the bike. So I might just do 30 to 60 days, but we'll see. Hopefully you guys support me by liking and subscribing and watching the videos. That's only will motivate me more. But if you don't, that's fine. You don't have to follow me or watch my videos, so it's all optional, of course. So let's see. Actually, it looks like it works. So about the goat bikes, the one they're gonna have, it will be 3 bikes, and motor goat, billy goat, and they replace the folding goat by power goat. So the power goat, it's actually 2-seater, but the recent model you might saw on the website picture are only fork suspension. There's no rear shock. But the new model, the one if you buy today, the new model will be with a full suspension. So they're gonna modify the frame a little bit to include the rear suspension. That bike should be one of the best comfortable ride. But again, the battery, I think all the specs should be stay the same because they try to keep the price very low. And right now I notice people have questions, how do they get that low price, also with a big discount like 10% off. I have 10% off like that's DAD. If you enter, you're gonna get 10% off on the price, and right now I think it's like $2,099, so you get 10%, like $200 off, so it makes the price under $2,000. Better, much better than even free wired bikes. I'm not sure why people always call Y Freedom. They do have Y Cruiser, so I think people like mirror to one brand. They are great bicycle, most likely they're good. I never rode one, but again, they're different. They don't have that much power and so many features like goat bikes will have. So that's why there are big difference, and also there are different type of bicycles. Yeah, the seat, everything, like you can see it's totally different, and a lot of people love these designs. So I think this goat bike might be number 1, but like for price and the power, because there's many powerful bikes, but they are in a higher category of price. So it's very hard to get something under 2,000 with good quality parts. Like they do have very nice build. And the next batch should be in March. So if you order now, you still get this introductory price, which is pretty good. I was thinking to order also the 2-seater with a full suspension maybe, but I want to ride first the motor goat and see how I like it, because last time I was able to ride with my wife, even it's same size, and she said she was good and we were able to ride together. So I don't think there should be problem for us to ride on the motor goat. So even it's single seater considered to be, but I can ride it with my kids on it or with my wife. But the billy goat is definitely only one seater bike because you can see the seat, but it's a looking good bike. So they should be have the same speed. The motor goat is higher price just because you get 300 watt hours bigger battery, and that makes the difference. Alright, and I notice a lot of people try to modify, make the bikes faster, and then I see other people hate to see faster bikes. They posted that it's illegal, and again I understand. If you make the bike faster, regardless if you buy it ready fast or make your own fast, they will be illegal. So motor goat can be adjusted easy to class 1 by simply changing the settings. So you don't have to really go fast if you don't want to. You can change the settings to go up to 20 miles an hour or less. It's all up to you. But everybody, I notice, mostly people who comment, who doesn't want say it's illegal, they are the one who makes modified and try to get the bikes faster. So they are like haters, I guess, or whatever. Like, so I'm not really crazy about fast bikes. I like all the bikes regardless of the speed, because every single bike has their own kind of things which you're gonna like this one mini bike, probably going about 10 miles an hour, but I like it. The pedaling actually is not bad. I made review on this bike many times, long time ago, and I always liked it. It's very comfortable to ride, straight up position, comes with a horn, and it gives you a very good distance even for my weight. So it's foldable steam, so it's because of the size of the tires, I can easily put in a trunk like 4 or 5 like these bikes. So it's giving me a really great opportunity to take this bike anywhere I want to without attaching any extra rack, or it does not have like climbing ability much, and I still have 3 bar because I'm pedaling, so it's very efficient on battery if you pedal it with pedal assist, but it don't go that fast because it has some kind of, I don't think it's like cadence sensor. It also have most likely motor sensors, which, because you don't get like, if I start to pedal even faster, it will start to go faster, but again, it's very soft acceleration, smooth. No, there's no like some other bicycles, when you start to pedal it will kick in a little bit faster, much faster right away. This one kind of slow, either because it's a too small motor or I'm too heavy. So it's just slow, but I like it. So we don't have many people walking on the sidewalk, that's why I'm riding sidewalks. And if you're against it, I understand, but I live in the area where there's very little people who walk, but we have many people who speed up. And again, this challenge about to join the challenge, ride the bike, not necessary to ride every day different, but to ride at least one bike as long as you can and as often you can. And comment below if you actually follow my challenge and if you can keep up to ride every day without missing any day, or even if you missed, just be honest, come back and leave a comment on the video if you miss any days. So I'm planning to ride at least 30 days. Even if you guys don't watch, if I don't get not really high views on those videos. I don't care. I'm gonna keep my challenge going, and later on we're gonna have much fun bikes. I have few more bicycles coming, and I do have a lot of bicycle to ride right now. A lot of fun. Like I'm gonna ride good bike, which is older version as well. I'm gonna ride like some fast 1000 watt power by Sinada. So and Nocto I have like, and Derwin I still have, Ijo I have like Yota, Zora, or what other names, One Bot. I have like more names I guess in my garage of the bicycle, which I can ride probably more than 30 days for sure. But let's try 30 days first and see if you guys can keep it up. So right now, let's see where we are. Oh, it's already 16 minutes ride. So I will probably cut off the video because I don't want you guys to be bored by my talk. Maybe I should just ride the bicycle without talking. What do you guys think? Comment below. I know like it sounds like selling videos. And we have a school bus here. Actually it's warmer today because I'm pedaling, and I think I'm gonna get good workout on this. I like when it's shorter, so I think I'm gonna still get some workout. So it does improve the health when you ride even regular bicycle or electric bicycle. As long as you pedal it and just be outdoor, it's much better than to stay indoor on computer or playing games. Try to get outside for 5 minutes and ride the bicycle. I know I cannot go to the groups much. Maybe eventually I will go to some night rides and so on, but maybe later. I'm planning maybe to go to some groups riding once I get the good bike, because there's groups going about 30 miles and up. Maybe I'll join them, we'll see. But I'm still waiting for my helmet to arrive because the one I got had a broken mouthpiece, so it's full. So I returned it and bought different color because they already was out of that color, and it should arrive soon. But so far I don't see any comment. Not sure if it's my system, live stream not working well, and live stream might be very delayed, so it might not really work. That's why I'm gonna post the video as well, the one I recorded, and let's see how the pedal assist. Also there is a throttle, that's a throttle only, and it's not fast acceleration, but it's cool. Right, I already rode like 2 miles, most likely about almost 2, maybe less or a bit. Yeah, it's very soft, and this bike has full suspension. That's interesting. That's why I say it's like mini Goat, because it has 4 suspension and the rear shock. I know they're not the premium, but they do the job. Really soft, nice ride. Oh, now it's turn on the cruise control, you see, so the cruise control is working fine, so it's good. Anyways, thank you guys for joining the ride, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.